Today's daily 150 happens to be jump game. As you can see, I've already started typing things up. But anyways, the question is simple. It just asks us whether we can reach the ending node or not by taking at every step these many number of steps. That is, if you're at the zeroth index, you can go to three or you can go to one. That is, if you are at three, you can go to these three guys, one, one, four. So each step is going to specify the number of steps you can move forward. So the intuition goes somewhat this way. If you are at the second step, you can reach the zeroth index by default, right? Air of zero is equal to true and plus one. Now, what we have to do is if ARR of what should I tell you? Mm, No, it's just nums of x. Nums of x would be equal to what would it be equal to? Uh, we have to check whether the current node is reachable or yeah. To reach nums of x, we should be able to reach nums of x minus what is the question. As for each index that you're going through, you can only reach it when certain I equal to 0 I plus the nums dot length I plus plus. And then if what should I tell you? We're already starting from one, so one, then wait. I'm having confusion right now. Two, you're at step two. Instead of checking what's going forward, why not let's check backward? That's what I thought. And then, yes. Wait, one sec. I believe I'm missing just a single one or two stuff, but I'm not understanding. So if I just take each and every element and then mark it true in the global sense, would it work? No. What I was thinking was, if I take an element, let's say an array. That's why I've taken a Boolean array here, as you can see, and then mark for everything. You know, till the point where we can mark or something like that. But it's getting annoying. It's getting annoying. So zeroth element is already marked because by default you can reach the zeroth element. There's no changing that, is there? No. And now what I want to understand is with two what can I do is the question. Now how about we start with the current element and then just take for int I is equal to what should I tell you? Okay, now start length plus one and okay, this now start length and I is greater than equal to zero and I minus minus. Now, for each two steps that we can possibly take, maybe we could. No, that would mean we're going in reverse order, right? So, how about this way? And I is equal to what? Mo, it's annoying. What should I do? What should I do? Well, we'll go with the brute force approach first because my brain is not working right now. Or it's working, but I don't seem to be working. It doesn't seem to be producing any solutions. That is so. What can I do? What can I do from the current I? Um, it's okay. I plus one till base has I plus x and j plus plus. What I want to do is AR of j is equal to true. because we can already reach those elements, and then we just try to, as if I'm understanding what I'm telling. Well, yeah, it is what it is. How it. Let's look at it. Let's look at how it plays out. I'm sorry about the low voice that I'm speaking in, but right now it's the maximum vital energy that has left in me after a whole ton of nonsense coming in. I plus there's no X. Mm, okay, I'm so back. Okay, there you go. But it's gonna go out of bounds. Wow, that hurt, boy. That hurt. And Jesus, then I'm so glad. Okay, so it's saying true, false. Whoa, that was stupid. Stupid, or more like Cupid. So we can reach all indices. Whereas here, we should not be able to reach, right? Okay, we did end up reaching. How? Three, mark these three guys true. We start from item bow. Then, no, we're still reaching all indices. How come? How come? Should I put it that way? Okay, maybe I'm not thinking in the most fundamentally possible way, but what is it that I'm failing to think is the question. I don't think this approach is going to lead to anything fruitful, so I'm cutting it off. So here's what I think right now is possible. Now. Okay. Okay. It's a bit annoying right now, if you ask me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go about marking, not marking this time. This time, let's do it this way. Now, for each element, uh, what I'm going to do is ARR of, what should I tell you? Uh, for the zeroth index to be reached, zeroth index is automatically reached. For the first index to be reached, you would need to have true for the preceding index. Is that how it works? Wait, I'm thinking. I think I'm in the right direction right now. Okay, so what I was thinking we would do is we're gonna just implement the most brute force kind of approach, kind of thing that I could think of right now. So if current indices is not reachable, right, then we just break it part of it. If it's reachable, then I want you to update the rest. So how do I update the rest? J is equal to not zero, j is equal to what? J is equal to uh, current index plus one, and j is less than um, jump that I can take, that is nums of I comma math dot min of nums of I comma what should be it nums dot length. Okay, that's good. Okay, okay, that should be good. I plus nums of I would be your this thingy, and then we should possibly suffice it, and then j plus plus, that's all. Then we just mark the subsequent indices as true, and then once we have marked them true, we should be fine. If at all ARR of nums dot length minus 1 is equal to true, then big. Return true. Let's see. Okay. It has betrayed me big time. It didn't betray me big time. It just got confused big time. Okay. It's still confused big time. Okay. It's minus 1. Okay. Less than equal to? We would have to go to less than equal to. That's not annoying. Not at all annoying one, but we'll have to go to less than equal to. This mumbling has not explained anything, has it? If you're still watching, that is. But yeah, let's see. Whoa, and that's all. That was my question. I mean, this is the most brute force thing. I thought this should have given TLE.